On an uneven plot in the city of Altos, Paraguay, a tree dominates the landscape, and its presence dictated the design of the walls that embrace it. This is how Ensayo Squalo was born. Throughout the design process, ideas emerged in the shade of this tree, through its branches and the light filtering between its leaves. It is complex to trace the path of creation, but along the way, visions arose evoking the ribs of a shark and its open mouth, as if in its voracity it were about to devour the tree. This image gave life to this unique structure, where the fusion between the tree and the house is organic and harmonious. The execution of the project was not without its challenges. Initially conceived to be built in wood as a tribute to the tree, adverse weather conditions and the unpredictability of the material led to a change of plans. The responsibility inherent in experimentation was understood, and the importance of maintaining consistent criteria and a strong work ethic was internalized. With determination and respect for the original vision, the house was eventually built in iron, ensuring durability while preserving its essence. With 3 levels, the house adapts fluidly to the terrain. The ground floor integrates with the street, promoting interaction with the surroundings, while the basement connects to the patio, creating a spacious and versatile area for outdoor social gatherings. The iron pillars and beams, intentionally exposed, form 12 structural rings that resemble the ribs of a shark. The upper floor offers privacy and serenity, reserving the intimate space for its inhabitants.